All right, choppers, good morning, good morning, good morning. Welcome to our live market madness. I think this is the first time we stream in the morning. We have never done this before, so let's see where we can take this thing. If you just arrived or you are new in our stream, please don't forget to like and subscribe. Are we marking the register for the first time since we stream in the morning? I don't know, man. Like I said, a lot of things that we are going to try out. I saw myself not having a lot to do, for the morning, and I thought, why not hang around with choppers and let's do what we normally do. I only have online meetings today, so I might as well hang around with you guys. Rory's in the building. We've got Mr. Mbezi there in the building. Jenny to success. Good to see you, my friend. Good morning, choppers. Don't forget to like the stream and subscribe to the channel. Indeed, thank you for that. Tatiso, Minister of US30 is in the building. Sis Nontant is also in the building. We've got Mukele as well. Good to see you, my friend. Kuzo is also there, joining us today. Right, WTI, as we had anticipated, choppers. Yesterday it was a good day. Indeed, it was a good day for most of us, right? We were actually looking at trading WTI from this low here, $68.83. This is where we wanted to take advantage of this market, right? At $68.80 or so. We wanted to get some buying opportunities. As you know, that we took a buy on this at this level here, so we said once it comes back we are going to reload positions at the same area, right? So today it's a brand new day. Let me just do this. Ray Balo is in the building. Good to see you, my friend. So yeah, yesterday our first order was at we wanted to see if we can have a rejection candle at this point here. So as you know, I used this indecision candlestick for a nice buying opportunities there, and we hit our TP 1:2 there nicely. And during the live stream I said we come back at this level again, let's look to reload again to the upside, right? And a beautiful setup there again to the upside. If you didn't get a rejection candle the way you wanted, you could have looked at 30 minutes or even 1 hour. There were a lot of rejection candles there that you could have taken advantage of and take this thing to the upside. If you just joined us, please don't forget to like the stream as well as subscribe and like the stream. All right, so what are we doing today? Well, we are currently trading at $70. This is what I was saying yesterday, choppers, that we are definitely going to be looking for that $95, I mean $70 rather, from this low here, $68 80. Right, so what is it that we can do today? As we've reached our $70 mark, can we find a continuation all the way to $71? It's also a possibility there. Let's see how we hang around this level here. I think we break above it, retest, and we reload again to the upside. Let's have a look at euro dollar. By the way, ladies and gentlemen, we spoke also about Google yesterday. I had a prediction that before the end of the week we should be hitting $195 a share, and indeed we did. $195.47. This was my prediction yesterday, that we are going to end the week at 195, and we closed the day yesterday at 196.72 on Google, right? So yeah, take advantage of the stock market as well, man. take advantage of the stock market as well. There are a lot of opportunities there. We also spoke about Bitcoin, that we're going back to 100,000 yesterday. As you see, we wanted to reload at 95,300, and as you see, we hit that nicely there, back at the 100,000 mark. So yeah, AUD USD. So yesterday we spoke about this, right? I said I'm not gonna be looking for, I actually wanted to buy this thing, if you could remember, but I was not convinced, because remember how we were on our hidden map, right? The AUD was too weak, and the dollar was gaining some strength. That's why it was not possible for me to buy this thing at that time. But I want you to understand why I wanted to buy this, because this was a continuation. Obviously retail traders are coming in hard there, right, to sell this thing. So I'm simply going to be bullish on AUD USD even today, right? I'm going to look if I can buy at a discount, maybe around these lows here at 64 cents or so, and we can take this thing to the upside. So mark this price there. Right, this is where I want to buy my AUD USD euro dollar. Euro dollar also, remember the bigger picture for this was we are still consolidating, right? If you look at this price, we are not moving anywhere. We are trading between $1.06 and $1.04, right? In fact, yesterday we had $1.05, if I'm not mistaken. Yeah, so we're trading between $1.06 and $1.04, right? For quite some time this thing has been doing this. I think at this low here, this is where this ranging started, right? We started ranging from here. Okay, and then we marked $1.06. Don't mind this here. The market gapped up again, went back to that consolidation. Right, so we're still playing there. My take on this thing is I'm bullish today. No Maganjan, I'm bullish today. What's your take on euro dollar? I'm bullish today. I'm definitely bullish on euro dollar today, without a doubt. Please don't mind the background noise. They are cutting grass outside. So I want to see maybe if I can buy at the discount there. That's my take on euro dollar. Bullish. British pound USD. We are also failing to break above. So we're ranging between $1.27 and $1.27.79 and $1.27.44, right? This is where we've been ranging. This is where we had our POC. But in actual fact, when you look at this on 4 hours, you would actually see that our range is between $1.27 and $1 almost 26, right? But like I said, again, I'm going to be bullish on this market. I'm just gonna be bullish on this market. right? It's not a good idea to buy there. I can tell you that it's not a good idea to buy there, right? See where you can get the discount on this thing. See where you can get a discount on this thing. Alright guys, if you just joined us, please don't forget to like the stream. Ensure that you like the stream, and if it's the first time joining us, you can always subscribe as well to the channel. NAS 100. All right, so NAS 100 yesterday, like I said, we're moving above 1%, and I said at this point you can look to scalp this thing to the downside, right? Look at this here. For those that are scalping, you could have taken this, but this is not much. I mean, I wait for a rejection candle. In fact, our first rejection candle came at 21,638, and our second one, we're anticipating it at 21,700. Currently trading at 21,741. Can we go to 21,800? I think we can today. I think NASDAQ can hit 21,800. That is just my anticipation. And then from 21,800, then that's when we can see that drop coming in. That's my analysis on NASDAQ. If you also look at where we are in terms of our divergence on RSI, it hasn't formed as yet, so we just need to be patient with it to see how and where it's going to take us, right? US30, as you know, that we've also been bearish for quite some time. Yesterday we did say if we have a nice head and shoulder there, we can buy back at 44,300 and 44,323. This is where we said US30. As you know, we've been selling US30 from this level here. So we've been selling US30 from 44,700, right? This is where we've been looking at US30. So buying opportunities will have to come if we are above this level, right? 44,325. So we don't have anything yet, so we're going to do a reevaluation on this trade. If you look at 4 hours, where can we find our next support there, right? Just going to take all this entire movement here to see POC trading at 44,831. This is where we can potentially find our support here at 43,771 on US30. Anything that is above 44,151, I'm looking for buying opportunities there. WTI. Oh, we haven't looked at gold. We haven't looked at gold today. So gold, as you know, that we've been buying gold from this lows here. Let's just do a recap. Right, so gold we've been trying to buy at 2,657. In actual fact, we had a mark at 2,660. To say at that level, we are going to be buying gold and reload again at 2,674. As you see, it went nicely there to the upside, and our reloading was going to come at this level here, 2,675, and we had a nice buy there, nicely so, right? I don't know, choppers, but I'm not comfortable looking for buying opportunities on gold today. Why? I think it's too easy to see that a lot of retail traders can come in at this level, right? So I'm just looking at this level here, $2,716 an ounce. I think I'm going to be bearish on this thing today, but short-term opportunities, right? Only short-term, right? If I break below $2,713 an ounce, then I can look for those selling opportunities coming in. So yeah. Journey to Success is saying I'm looking for British Pound USD buys at $1.27, 714, which is around this area here, 714. Look, Jenny, I for myself, I think for me, it's just for me, it's too risky for me to be buying it at that level. I want to see if I can go a bit down, buy at the discount there. I'm gonna wait for it to go a bit down for me to buy at the discount. On 5 minutes, I like this, right? On 5 minutes, in fact, if I come here on 5 minutes, I'll definitely look to see if I can scalp this, right? Just to the downside, we're going to reload from there. So I want to see maybe if I can take advantage of this movement here, 15 pips or so. I'm gonna take this on 5 minutes. This is going to come in at 5 minutes. Let me know if you're gonna join me on this one. It's just a scalp, right? In and out, in and out. I don't think $1.2769. I don't think that price is going to hold there. It's too easy to see. Retail traders are buying at this moment. Retail traders are definitely buying at this moment. So that's my analysis on British Pound USD. WTI is quiet. It's quiet for the morning. It's just quiet. AUD/USD, remember we are buying at 64 cents. Let's see what do we have on our heat map this morning. Right, we've got the euro currently holding some ground. I think it's neutral. USD is quite weak for the session now, since the session it's just the beginning of the session now. USD is quite weak. Australian dollar quite strong. So yeah, those buying opportunities on Australian will make sense, right? Those buying opportunities here on Australian dollar would make sense. Let's just monitor it. British pound also, I would say it's weak. Canadian dollar weak. New Zealand dollar strong. Swiss franc also neutral. Japanese, as always, Japanese weak. Hong Kong dollar weak. Singapore dollar weak. Chinese yuan also weak. Right. Fundamentals, what do we have on the news this morning? We don't want to see brokers appearing here. We only want to see one broker here. Not a lot of things appearing here. Today is a Thursday, right? So it's in the morning. Let's see. Do we have any traffic coming? I don't normally trade Swiss, so that will not bother me at all. S&B monetary policy and assessment, that will not bother me at all. But we've got euro coming at 3:15, and then at 3:30. We have core CPI as well. So we're gonna have it at 3:30 again today. So let's see, will we have some volatility coming in today again? I don't know. So yeah, euro dollar bullish, British pound I'm bullish, AUD USD I'm bullish. Like I said, choppers, I don't think this was going to hold. I told you that this price will not hold at all. This price will not hold at all. I'm looking at the 10 minutes chart right now. This price will not hold at all. $1.27699 didn't hold at all, right? That's why Jenny was saying, for me, it's dangerous to be buying there, right? Didn't hold whatsoever. And I think this has to do with just market open, you know, nothing much. BBC trades say, can you please go back to gold? Every day got their own opportunity. You gotta show up day by day. Swing selling USD, Mexican since Tuesday, expecting the peso to trade. Oratile, you are the only person, my good friend, who's trading weird pairs. I can tell you, out of all choppers that I know, Oratile is the only one that is trading all these exotic pairs. Weird stuff. You're the only one, my friend. You're the only one. I don't know when was the last time I looked at USD versus Mexican peso. I don't know when was the last time. Weird. Unless if I'm wrong, right? Choppers, let me know in the comment section if Oratil is not the only one who's trading this weird. I think last time he was trading USD ZAR. The other time I forgot what he was trading. You've got a big heart, my friend. Shout out to you. Shout out to you. You don't mind playing around with spread, but if you are swinging it, it makes sense. I gotta say, if you are swinging it, it doesn't really matter. All right, gold. What do we have on gold this morning? Right, POC at 2,713. Like I said, choppers, for me, I don't know, but it's just too clear to see that, okay, fine, we bought at $2,700 an ounce, and I don't know, can we make a new high from this level? Well, it's a possibility, but I don't think I want to mess around with gold this morning, right? Unless if I'm selling short-term selling opportunities. So yeah, the safest trade I think for me will be a break above $2,724 an ounce. I think that for me will be the only sensible thing I can do with regards to gold this morning, right? So yeah, can we catch that British pound USD buy? Let's see. Oradile Ndlovu. So the Oradile that we're talking about is Matala, not Ndlovu. Ndlovu, I think, is trading normal things. The Oradile I'm talking about is the Oradile Matala. He likes them in pesos, but also Rory. Yeah, sometimes Rory, I think Rory, I saw that in the group you call Rory Rory Bullet, Rory Silver Bullet, something like that. Rory likes silver. I think Rory likes silver. TMS say Oratile is alone on exotic pairs. Yeah, Oratile man is trading these funny things. I don't know why. Cananello is saying Oratile is not the only one. Yeah, Cananello, I'm sure you're also. I'm sure you have joined Matala, right? I don't know, but with me, it's just that I'm picky with what I trade. You know, I look at a lot at what I trade. I like being analytical and have some data on what I'm trading, right? Jenny, I hope you didn't take this buy, my friend. I hope you didn't take this buy, right, on a British pound USD. Hope you didn't take that buy. It's a sucker move there. Retail traders, I'm sure they bought. there at that level. 10 minutes chart, definitely you find a lot of. That's why I said I wanted to buy a bit at the high at $1.2775 there and go with it to the downside. Let's look at euro dollar on the other hand, right? So I wanted to see if we can buy at $1.515, right? Again, just be careful of that level there. Let's look at 5 minutes. Just be careful at that level there. I don't think it will be wise to be buying at that level. This is not that saying looking for buys at 20,429 German 40. We haven't looked at German 40. Whoa, look at that market open. It's giving us some nice moves there. German 40. Yesterday on German 40, we said we're gonna look for selling opportunities if we break below 20,000, right? So just gonna do a reevaluation on this thing. It seems like we want to go back to the all-time highs at 20,472. So it's not that I think that's a wise move. Maybe we can find retracement, or we can find a reversal at just put an alert here at 20,500. Maybe that's when we can see this thing go to the downside, and again maybe we might be having divergence if this level here will go above 70 or 80, then we can look to take this to the downside, right? Choppers, if you just joined us, please don't forget to like the stream, also subscribe. Thank you so much for tuning in this morning. It's the first time we actually trade in the morning, right? We normally do New York. I don't know, Choppers, let me know, should we continue with morning? And I don't wanna put too much pressure for myself to say we're gonna stream every morning and every afternoon, but I would love to do so. Jenny said no, I didn't. I'm waiting for rejection. Yeah, my friend, I'm also waiting to see how we can hold this level here on British pound USD. I think we might hold. If we hold $1.2761, we might hold to the this price and go to the upside. Right. So we'll see there. AUD USD. Remember, I'm looking for buying opportunities there on AUD USD, right? I like the fact that my POC is almost the same level as my key significant area. For those of you that say, President, we want to trade with you and hang around with you every morning and every day, get into your private class, your private group, you know what to do. There's an Okta link there down below. You can always sign up with the Okta. Fund your account. Let me know that you have signed up. You can also send our office an email to say that you have signed up. The information is there on the screen. info@tradewithmj.co.za. Or you can always give us a WhatsApp so that we can add you on our group. Minimum deposit for Okta, as you all know, is $25. Only $25 is the minimum deposit. Any plans, guys, for the long weekend? You guys have plans for the long weekend? What's the plan for the long weekend? What are you guys doing for this long weekend? Paulo, you're saying I think buy on Geo will come at $1.27,500. They have to take liquidity. That's what I'm seeing there. Yeah, anything that goes above my POC, my friend, I think for me, I think I can look to take this thing to the upside there. Aloi, Wanamani. Kananelo is saying trade Bitcoin. Are you trading Bitcoin during the long weekend? Let me know in the comment section, choppers. What are you up to this long weekend? What are you doing this long weekend? It seems like our WTI just wants to break above $70 mark, retest the same level, and look for buying opportunities there on it. Afika is saying I'm chopping German 30 buys now. Well done, my friend. That's the aim. Chop as much as you can. Beautiful. Beautiful, man. Beautiful. I think this is not that I also wanted to get some buying orders there on German. Beautiful, beautiful, beautiful setup there. I can't wait to trade Google again this afternoon. I don't know where we're gonna have a pre-market open on Google. I told you we're gonna have a new high, right? And we did. This was the high of the 11th of July 2024. We're trading at $191 a share, but now we're trading at $196 a share there on Google. TMS, I think, is answering the question I was asking if we should stream in the morning as well as in the afternoon. If you are present, we can. I mean, some days AUD, British Pound, Euro against USD does 60 pips, 600, and of course often. So I mean that we could still be waiting for New York. Yeah, definitely. You get some big moves happening in the morning as well. You know. The reason why I chose to stream in the afternoon is that I look at my work schedule that normally in the morning I'll be busy. I'll be extremely busy. But I gotta say this December I've chopped down some of the things that I had to do, right? So maybe we can look into that. We can look into streaming in the morning. So yeah, Africa, well done there on buying there on German. BBC traders say, why do many traders force themselves into getting into profits? I mean, I think it's just a matter of people want to make money. We are all in this to make money, you know. I always say if you have your rules and you follow them to the core, you're always going to take emotions away, you know. You're always going to change. You know, my dream, man, is just to see our industry change, man. I think the day this industry will be taken serious, especially in South Africa, I think one can sleep nicely, you know. So It's just a whole lot of things happening in a lot of people's heads. People want to make money. It's December time now. Everyone wants to do something, you know. People who trade full margin as well, they don't just wake up and just trade full margin. They have a reason, and circumstances sometimes push you to do things beyond what you want to do, you know. So in this live stream, we normally practice patience, right? If you've been streaming with me for quite some time, you would know that patience is virtue, right? We practice patience. We've got all our alerts in place, and some other things we see them as we wait, right? So yeah. Goldfinger is saying, Mukel is saying, I think analyzing charts in the morning is amazing, gives you one sense of clarity and possibilities that you might unfold as the day goes. I think it's a good idea, Mr. President. Yeah, man, we are going to definitely look into introducing this on our channel to stream in the morning. All right, we'll see how we can do it, but I think it's a good idea to stream in the morning. Indeed, there are opportunities here that present themselves so much in the morning. Yeah. Goldfinger saying your channel just popped out on my feed. Cheers from Philippines. Thoughts on gold future? Hope your trading is going well. So yeah, I think gold, my friend, shout out to you, man, for joining us this morning. Actually, I have my alert at $2,712 an ounce there. Want to see how we perform at that point. Maybe take a decision from that point if I have a rejection candle forming there. But for me, I think this thing has been going to the upside for quite some time. Tell you what, Goldfinger, we've been buying gold from $2,660 an ounce. We reloaded at $2,676 an ounce, right? Yesterday again, but I couldn't catch this one, unfortunately, yesterday, right, at $2,700 an ounce. But I think if I break below my POC, I'm gonna look for scalp just back at 2,700 and then make decisions from there, because I'm an intraday trader, right? I day trade, so for me it will if I'm looking at my 10 minutes charts again, anything that breaks below here, just scalp and see if I can reload again from there. So I'll be taking advantage of that as well. So yeah, that's my take on gold. Mr. Bezisel, I'll be trading gold, Mr. President. Yes, join me, my good sir. Please join me there. Rory saying silver, I'm looking to enter 32048. Yeah, Rory and silver, they are good friends. I think Rory has a special relationship with silver. Let me see how well you've been attending or paying attention to how I trade lately. Just let me know in the comment section. What is my favorite asset to trade lately? Just let me know. Let me see. Let me see if you've been paying attention to my trading lately. What is my favorite? Let me see on the comment section there. Mukele, I think, is asking a question to Goldfinger. How is trading going on your side? Do you guys also hold such sessions that side? I'm just curious. Yeah, man, I think, you know, these events are very important. We always need to come in together and hang around. And we need brokers to invest in education, right? Not lifestyle. Gone are the days where brokers will always give people money to fund their lifestyle. We need brokers to fund education, right? I've learned a lot from you guys. I don't want to lie. I've learned a lot from you guys, and I'm sure you guys are also learning from my trading on day-to-day basis, right? So that's what we need. We need such partnerships, right? So I think Goldfinger is answering there at Mukele that I trade mostly Asia and London morning sessions. Right, Goldfinger, welcome to the Choppers group, my friend. Minister of State, you say, Mr. Press, I also will join you on that gold buy. All right, my friends. It's not like saying WTI, Rory saying WTI. Yes, definitely. WTI has been my favorite lately, man. I'm enjoying this. But I had a very rough week. If you could remember, 2 weeks ago, I was taking loss after loss on WTI. So, yeah. But last week and this week, I gotta say it's looking well. But remember, I took a loss on WTI in the morning yesterday at $68.03, right? And I reclaimed again or redeemed myself at this level when I bought again at $68.85. And this was just I held this overnight. Remember, according to my trading plan, Bitcoin and WTI, normally I don't mind holding it overnight. Why? Because these things, they move. I don't mind, they move, right? You don't find much consolidation on these things, so that's why. Right. So, yeah. Is it Doyle? Good to see you, my friend. This is my first time live with you, President. Good to see you, my friend. I hope you join the Choppers family. I hope you do join the Choppers family. Goldfinger is saying there's a prop firm that heavily invests in education. Not sure if I'm allowed to share. Look, man, you can do your thing. This comment section is for you to express yourself, as long as you are not using the comment section to just promote and send promotional content and whatnot. But look, nothing is stopping you. Anything that can assist the chopper here, maybe they want to get into a prop firm and you are recommending the one that you like there, I don't see a problem, my friend. You can express yourself. One thing I like about our community is, how, the respect we have for one another. I've seen a lot of live streaming events, man, where it's just disrespect after disrespect. But I like how you guys really, have so much respect for one another, regardless of how old you are, where you are coming from. You just know how to, treat another human being with respect and care. Munwa BC Spusiso saying, what broker do you use for stocks? Yeah, same broker, man. Octa, it's especially on Google. Lately, I've been trading just Google. I've been trading Google only. So they have a special account also for these things. But if you have an account with them, there are a lot of instruments that you can trade there with Octa. So yeah, Sbu. I think there was a point in my life 2-3 years ago when we first opened, 4 years ago if I'm not mistaken, there was a time when we first opened our first trading floor in Pretoria, right? I was just trading stocks day in, day out, right? So yeah. Right, so Goldfinger saying is with the prop firm, Top Step, they live stream almost 24 hours. Wow, that's amazing, man. 24 hours a day. 24 hours a day. So again, with us, Goldfinger, this channel belongs to Trade with the MJ. It's called Trade with the MJ company, right? So our partnership with this is with Octa. This is not Octa's channel. They do have their channel, right? I think they have like 1 million subscribers or so. They also do some live trading here and there and educational content. But for them, partnering with us it was like it's not enough for them just to only have content on their channel. They also want to invest in other people's channels as well to spread the word and invest in education. So it's good to see that, man. If the industry can change and we leave this lifestyle thing and just brokers, prop firms, invest in education, invest in education. Right, let's have a look at our heat map. What is happening currently on our heat map? Who's strong, who's weak? Euro, I think, is holding some ground. I would say it's neutral, up by 0.21%, up by 0.4% against the AUD. Also up by 0.1% against the British pound, up by 1% against the NZD, or down rather. Again, against CAD is also up. Swiss franc also up against Japanese and Hong Kong dollar. USD is losing some ground this morning. So our buying opportunities, I think, that will come in handy. AUD is still strong. Remember, we're looking for buying opportunities there. Right. So we want to see if we can have a buy there on AUD USD. I want to see if we can catch it at 64 cents. Right. I want to see if we can catch it there at 64 cents. Right, again, choppers, please read the disclaimer. This is not anything to give you financial advice. This is just us as a community trading together and sharing some knowledge and some ideas together as a community, right? We don't give signals here. Please, a full disclaimer on that. If there's a pair you are looking at and you want us to analyze together, maybe to get an idea of our thoughts on that pair, you can always ask on the comment section. Golfing is saying cool. I'll have a look, take a look at what they also have. Thanks. Yeah, man, we are hoping Golfing to extend our partnership with Okta until next year. You know, 12 months, that will be good to see. So yeah, hoping that they can have a partnership with us for the whole year. I don't like jumping from one broker to another, and I think I said this yesterday, guys. I don't like doing that. The Eben is in the house. When are they joining TradingView? Some of us don't trust Meta MT. So I guess if you say MT, you don't trust Meta codes. I don't know, man. I don't know. Remember, systems are very expensive, guys. You know, for Meta codes, for you to use Meta codes as a broker, for you to use any platform, whether it's CTrader, TradingView, Trade Locker, it's very expensive. So I don't know, my friend. I cannot speak on behalf of Okta. I don't know when they're gonna join TradingView, but yeah, I would love for them to do so. Whether it's TradingView or CTrader, even Trade Locker. Someone was saying Trade Locker is the Timo. I think it was Inecto is saying it's the Timo of TradingView, Trade Locker, right? So I don't know, but I would love for them. It's something that I've requested. Because time to time, partners of Okta, they will ask you, where do you think we can improve? What do you think we can do to introduce certain things in our business? And one of the things I've asked them is if they can use TradingView to trade as well as maybe CTrader. Right. Mukele is saying at Goldfinger, are you on a platform currently and are they reliable? Sbu is saying, what do you think of Webull? You can trade even ETFs. I think you wanted to say ETFs there, or stocks and Forex. Yes, definitely. I've used Webull before, but it's for me, right? For me, and that was when I was having a trading floor, or when we just starting out with our trading floor. A lot of my the people that I was trading with at the trading floor at that time, they didn't find Webull as friendly as TradingView, right? So yeah, I think you cannot speak of any trading platform for stocks, maybe top 5, and you don't count Webull, right? So yeah, I think a lot of Americans use Webull. Is it allowed? I don't know if South Africans are allowed to use Webull anymore. I don't know. Let me know there. But yeah, Okta does have a platform. For stocks. Check it out. If you need an account with them, on the link there, you can always sign up. There's a link down on the description there. And once you have signed up and you have funded, you can also join my private group and get some mentorship and some coaching from me and my other team members there. We see how we can assist you with your trading. So yeah, the link is down below there. I'm going to also write down my number there. Once you have funded your account, just let me know so that we can add you on the group, right? You can also call our office on 087 265 9710. Cousin RSA is saying, oh, I think Gofinger was just responding there to Mukele. Top Step has their own trading platform that is built with TradingView. South Africa, that is Cousin RSA says South Africa is restricted from using Top Step. Oh, okay, I was not even aware. This is what I like saying, ladies and gentlemen. This stream educates me a lot. You know, a lot of things. You can never know everything as an individual. So you'll have a lot of people that are coming with information, man, and you learn. You know, this is one thing I appreciate about this live stream. We don't have time to be questioning a lot of things, but we just educate one another. Mukele is saying, wow, shout out to you, man. I would like to trade under a prop firm someday, but for now, I'm all about skill and knowledge. Since not that the same, Mr. President, your side check WTI is moving. Don't forget to check. My WTI now. Yeah. Look, for me, for now, it's not moving as much as I would want to. But I just need to break above retail $70 a share. I mean, $70 a barrel there on WTI. Then I'm gonna take it to the upside, right? Like I said again, on 10 minutes. I said it won't hold. $1.589. I told you it won't hold. It's a bad idea to buy at that level there. Bad idea. I wanted to see if we can have a rejection candle at this point here for us to look for buying opportunities or an indecision candlestick, but we didn't have that opportunity. Also, on British Pound USD holding, I want to see how we hold $1.27 at that point. Then maybe we can look for buying opportunities there to the upside. AUD USD, as you know, we are looking at buying at 64 cents. All right. Zbu is saying, what do you think of GJ? So tell you what, I want to tell you a funny story about GJ, Zbu. I'm actually on a break on GJ, right? And I'll tell you why. I've been, for those of you that have been following also the stream now for months, you know how I was losing. I was losing almost every day on GJ, so I took a break on it, and but it doesn't stop me from analyzing, right? It doesn't stop me from analyzing this thing. I was saying yesterday, someone, I think, was it, I forgot his name. Let me think. Someone was asking me about GJ, and I was telling him that it's, for me, it makes sense looking for buying opportunities on GJ, right? I forgot the gentleman's name. Sorry, I forgot his name. He was saying he's long on GJ, and I was saying 192 yen against the British pound is something that we can look at, right? And one of the reasons why Zbu was Japanese on the heat map is being weak for the whole week, right? This thing is being extremely weak, so there was no way I can bet on Japanese, right? So I was saying to him, rather I bet on British pound than Japanese, because this thing has been weak for quite some time. I think for me, this has formed the price peak formation for me at this low here at $1. I mean 188 yen against the pound, and I said this for me makes a head and shoulder, inverse head and shoulder pattern there. And at this point, if we are going to retest this level here, 192 yen against the British pound, you can look to be buying. So if you bought here, one thing is that I don't think this will hold. Maybe we can drop down then reload again at this level. This is just my take on GJ, my friend. I hope that covers you. BBC Trader saying British pound Swiss is on a big move. We'll have a look at it now. Kelly says South Africa is kind of conscious too much when it comes to innovation and evolution, to a point we end up adapting to things way after they have been adopted by other countries. Yeah, I think so too, my friend. We just need to be as much innovative as we can as a nation, you know. The thing is, South African trading market is lifestyle orientated more than anything, and you know, at some point it really pisses me off, right? Because you had a lot of people that are investing in this business. They take their last money, their hard-earned money, their pension, and they think they're gonna change their lives in a day, and it doesn't happen because of what they normally see outside there. In fact, there's an episode that is dropping tonight, guys. Check it out, right? If you just join us, please don't forget to like the stream as well as subscribe. Please do us a favor. Road to 4,000 subscribers by the end of the year. I think we can do it, choppers. Let's try. I think we can do it. I think we can do it. So please like the stream, like. Kasenara says Gofinger also traded with them. They really are reliable. When I had an account with them, but they restricted SA, then I moved to my funded futures and they restricted SA last month as well. But got the most payouts from them, luckily. Yeah, well done to you, cousin. Well done, man. Yeah, I think, you know, right now everyone is, and it's normal, you know, every time you want to get into a profile you are thinking twice, right? Every time you wanna, because there's been so many prop firms that have been closed. Now every time someone wants to get into open an account with a certain broker, they think twice. Why? Again, there've been so many brokers that have shut down, right, with people's monies. So everyone is just careful these days. No one wants to get into any broker just coming and advertising and saying get in and whatnot. That's why I myself I just like using one broker and partner with one broker. That's what I enjoy, right? A reliable regulated broker, right? It must be reliable, it must be regulated as well, okay? And by different regulators, not just one. That's what I look at when I look at a broker, right? So yeah, man, a lot of prop firms, a lot of brokers have been shut down in South Africa. It's a mess. It's a mess. I'm telling you, 2025, you're gonna see a lot of prop firms coming in. And again, a lot of people always are taking me about prop firms. MJ, you are against prop firms, you're against, and I'm like, I'm not against prop firms. I'm just saying, guys, when you just see an advert, don't just sign up because you see an advert of a prop firm and say, I'm signing up. Do your research, right? Don't just sign up, because I am telling you, a lot of prop firms out there, they're gonna screw you. So I'm not against prop firms. In fact, if you look at my interviews with, whether with Traders Room or Top Trader, look at interviews I've had 5 years ago or 6 years ago. I was the one saying, guys, let's look into prop firm, because I understood that a lot of people is something that they how can I put it? People don't have money, right? And prop firms are something that they can look into, you know. So I was saying go for prop firms, but it's just that as time went by, I was seeing how people are being screwed by prop firms, and I was like, guys, right now we need to slow down. Don't just look at any broker and sign up. Don't just look at any prop firm and sign up. That's all I'm saying. But you know, a lot of people are taking me, MJ is against prop firms, and I'm not, guys. I'm not. I'm just saying, be careful. I've been talking about my frozen funds, right? My Forex funds, right? And people were asking me, which prop firm do you recommend? Which prop firm do you recommend? And so on. And I was like, how many people now lost their money through my Forex fund, and for the fact that they cannot wake up today and trade with them, right? And I felt so bad that I was recommending something that shut down. That's why I'm so strict when it comes to these things. I don't just look at any broker. I don't just look at any prop firm. So that's why. Kasan SA is saying 100% MJ. I also think getting a live account for South Africans, to be honest, I think the time you spend on prop firms should be put on growing your life. Definitely, man. Getting a live account is the best option for South Africans. Definitely. You know, I say, Kasan, right, that growing an account, so we've got our alert triggered there on AUD/USD, right? So let's see if we can have our rejection candle there and look to be taking this thing to the upside. If we hang around this level for some time, we are definitely going for that buy order. Like Kasan, I say to you, my friend, look, I always tell people that growing an account doesn't have to come only in profits, right? Let's say you have a $50 account, a $100 account, for example. Let's make a $100 account, for example. For you to grow it, it doesn't have to come by making profits. Some of the money that you have, pump it, right? If it's $10 here and there, just make it a deposit. It will grow. So, and that's how business is structured. Not every business is growing by profits only, right? Sometimes maybe as a business, let's say you are running a shop, right? Let me make this example. You are having a shop and you invest in this shop of yours. Please don't mind my drawing, right? You invest something like $1,000, right, in this shop. Okay, and you are getting profit on this shop. It's starting out, right? So on this shop, you are getting something like your returns on this $1,000 on a monthly basis. Maybe it's giving you 50%, which is $500, right? So you are not making 100% profit on this business, I don't know what you could be selling. It can be anything. It's just a practical example. It doesn't have to be related to trading. It gives you profit of $500 every month. And you know that, okay, fine. What keeps this business alive is this $1,000, right? And you want to scale in. What do? You're like, okay, fine. I'm going to pump more money now, right, into this business. Okay? Because instead of getting $500 every month, I want to make double. And you've got $1,000 again elsewhere because your business is not attracting much. Okay? So you're like, if I add another $1,000 on my business, now I'm going to be running this on a $2,000 mark, right? I can add on marketing. I can add on administration. I can add more stuff, right? And you would find that you would be anticipating to make double of this, and you find that you can even make $1,500 by putting more money in your business, right? Now you find that your profit now, instead of getting $500 a month, you are getting $1,500. Then you can grow from there. You understand? Because you could market your business better now. You can add more stuff. You can even get maybe a bigger building because you're gonna pay a rent house from there in a space where you attract more customers to come in. And your business is growing, your shop is growing, right? So going back to trading, you don't have to grow your account only by making profits. Sometimes if you are having a 9 to 5, maybe you say, from my salary, I take 10%, I'm just adding on my trading account, right? So that it grows, okay? It's December now, your rich aunt, you are meeting with your rich aunt because it's December, right? Your rich aunt gives you $100. Put it in your trading account. You grow it. You know, you can grow it like that. Because sometimes you don't realize that the $10 here that you play around with, you get a $10 here, you get a $20 there, and you're just buying things that are not necessary in your life, right? You could be taking that $10, make a deposit, right? Depending on what you'll be using, that broker that you'll be using, right? Depending on what is the minimum deposit. You are having $25 there, $30 there. Just put it in your trading account. I'm telling you, it's going to grow. It's going to grow. Some of you right now, let's say you want to trade gold. Maybe gold is expensive for you to trade with a $25 account. Add more money so that you can, from you are already compromised by 0.01 on just trading gold. Why? Your capital might not be enough. So just add more money there. So I'm not against prop firms. I'm just saying sometimes we play with money thinking that we have prop firms to follow on, yet our own capital can grow us every now and then. Mukele is saying, but on the bright side, the FSCA is protective when it comes to us citizens. So I guess people come before profits. Shout out to the FSCA doing so what they're supposed to do. Yeah, no, definitely, man. You know, one thing about the FSCA is that there's a lot going on and they cannot do it on their own. That's why I am having a forum that I'm busy constructing now, and in 2025 that forum will possibly be partnering with the FSCA so that we can help them, because we cannot just point the finger at the FSCA. Maybe FSCA is not doing enough, but we are not helping them. So this forum is going to be possibly partnering with the FSCA. I'm already in talking to them and some stakeholders there to say we need a forum that will protect traders from aggressive marketing. We need a forum that will also protect traders from brokers, right? So working hand in hand with the FSCA, I think we can always do better, traders. So this is something definitely 2025 we should be expecting it. All right, WTI, did we break above the $70 mark? Yep, we did. So I want to see how we play around the $70.13 there on the WTI. Gold is quiet. Gold is quiet at the moment. Euro dollar is also a bit quiet at the moment. Remember, we want to see if we can have something going on there at $1.27 there. All right, guys, if you just joined us, please don't forget to like the stream. Please do me a favor by liking the stream. Let's like the stream and also subscribe. I was asking you guys a question there, Choppers. You haven't answered me. I said, what is your plan this coming long weekend? What are you going to be up to? Are you going home? Are you going to be studying? Are you going to be back testing? What is it that you're going to be doing? With me this long weekend, I'm going home. I'm going to see my mom. It's been a long time since I've seen her, so that's what I'm gonna be doing. Let me know there. What is it that you're gonna be doing? I think it's going to be a busy weekend. It's gonna be a very busy weekend. We've got is it, I don't know how to pronounce this, P-O-O-O-G. Is it Poog? Poog. My apologies, my good friend, if I'm not pronouncing your name well. You're saying thoughts on what SMCI's movement going to be? Are you talking about the stock? Super Microsoft? Are you talking about that? Mukele is saying, I think we really underestimate the power of compounding, letting your money accumulate. Yeah, definitely, man. Small money is big money. That is my opinion. You know, there are two things that I've learned in the financial world or in the world of money, right? Small money is big money. That's something that I always have at the back of my head when I make money decisions. Small money is always big money. The other thing I've learned that cheap is always expensive. Cheap is always expensive. Cheap is always expensive. Pook there, just clarify with me, my good sir there, if you are talking about the Super Microsoft micro computer incorporation. I don't know what they are trading at, but I think they're trading below $40 at the moment. I might be wrong, but just clarify with me there. So currently I'm just focusing on Google. Yesterday I was saying we're gonna trade around $195 a share there on Google, and we are currently sitting at 196.71 cents there on Google. I don't know, pre-market open, we'll have a look during New York today, but yeah. As is not that they say, nothing much on my side. We'll be chilling. With the family the whole weekend. Shout out to you. BBC Trader saying, let's be honest, distancing yourself away from family so you can grow as a trader can really make you to focus on your trading journey. And speaking on behalf of my experience, yeah, no, definitely, man. it's family. It can be anything. It can be colleagues, it can be family, it can be friends. Sometimes you just need to be alone, right? For me, one of the reasons why I'm going home is that I've not been going home for quite some time. I've been busy lately, so I just want to take my kids home, man. I just want to take my kids to their granny and play with some soil there, eat some soil there. I want them to eat some soil there. So yeah, I'm taking them home. AUD USD started to buy. Let's have a look at it. Right. So when you look at the heat map, we've got AUD quite strong there for the day. I need a rejection candle there. I need a rejection candle there. Minister of US30. I need a rejection candle there for me to come in there. Mukele say, shout out, Mr. President. I think we should make you a president already. Shout out to you and the idea of Forex Forum. Please keep us in the loop since we are now cooking something like a forum. No, most definitely. You know, this forum is not something that is going to be my own. It's for the whole, and it's not only for choppers, right? It's for everyone. It's not only for choppers, it's for everyone. So yeah, man, there's quite a lot. I was actually supposed to be doing an interview with SABC tomorrow, but it was postponed. So yeah, I think tomorrow I'll be going home for the long weekend. I think as well, traders, we should get the habit of analyzing these charts with, you know, whenever I do my interviews with CNBC or ENCA, I meet a lot of guys that are quiet, man. These are hardcore traders, quiet, you know nothing about them, and very well focused. You learn one or two things from them, you know. So I was saying to them, I come from this world of Instagram retail traders, you know, social light, and I really want us to fix this thing. So yeah, definitely the forum is something that is going to happen. We are busy with the registrations and compliance as well. So yeah, definitely it's a forum for everyone. It's not a trade with MJ company forum. It's not a top trader forum. It's not this forum and FSCA platform, or it's for everyone. Right, it's for everyone. So definitely, Mukele will be keeping you in the loop, my friend. We need as many volunteers as possible for this forum. Mr. Butelezi is saying, I'll be off to Mozambique. Ladies and gentlemen, I forgot to let you guys know. I don't know if I've let you know before. Congratulations to Mr. Butelezi. He just got married, I think, 2 weeks ago. Congratulations to you, sir. So if you're going to Mozambique, maybe you're going for a honeymoon. Congratulations, man. Marriage is a beautiful thing. T's and C's apply, right? So yeah, let's take this time to congratulate Mr. Butelezi there on tying the knot there. So he just got married. Unfortunately, I couldn't make it to his wedding because it was in Devon, if I'm not mistaken. But if it was around, definitely I was gonna make it there. Guys, I'm always with you. If you're having something big happening in your life, please let me know. I want to attend your wedding. I want to attend these big events that you would have, you know. As a fellow chopper, I'm there. So congratulations, Mr. Butelezi. Congratulations, my good sir. Mukele is saying, yeah, it's lonely journey, but if I get better ones to join the community of like-minded people talking the same language, I'm the happiest when I'm here trading play than anywhere. I'm glad, Mukelo, you are happy when you are here, my man. I'm glad. Let's try to grow this community of ours. Let's try to grow it. Yeah, Mr. Utilities is part of the merit gang now. Can't come home anytime you want now. Yeah, it's a beautiful thing, man. I don't know how many of you caught this WTI after the stream yesterday at this alert at $68.90. Do you have anyone who caught this yesterday? I would love to know. Mr. Mbezi says I'll be on vacation. Wow. Enjoy, Mr. Mbezi there. Enjoy as much as you can. And please send my regards to Mama there as well. Beautiful people, Mr. Mbezi and Mama Susan. Beautiful people there. They are also part of the Choppers Funded. And yeah, I'm blessed to have people like you in the community. All right, we have a rejection candle that is just open now on 30 minutes. I just want to look at 10 minutes and see what we have there. Not really much going on. One could have said, Mr. President, could I have taken this rejection candle there to go to the upside? It's also a possibility. Something that one could have done there. And Mr. Mutele is Izinja Madoda. Izinja, for those who don't know, it means dogs, right? Top dog. Congratulations, other man. Hopefully you'll get the wedding gifts at the dinner with the yeah, no, definitely. Remember, ladies and gentlemen, January we are having dinner with the president. Don't forget, we are going to hold it in Pretoria this time. The last one we held it in Senton, and this one is going to be held in Pretoria. The other one is going to be held in Durban. Between February and March, we'll be going to Durban. So yeah, we'll organize something there. Tadiso, I'll be watching soccer there. Where do you stay? Tadiso, where do you stay? Is it street soccer? If it's not far from where I am, I'll definitely make a 10 there. Where do you stay? Where is the tournament happening? Oof, I like this beautiful candlestick here, right? I like it, but I just want to see is 64 cents holding. That's what I want to see. 64.04. Is it holding? That's what I'm looking at. Sbu saying, what do you think about Boxer Supermarket stock? It had its IPO last month. Oh, I was not even aware. Well, look, you see these small retail firms that are coming in, things like Boxer and what's the other one? I forgot the name of I don't know, man. I think it's something that. Let me just check something here quickly. What's the share price on the Boxer at the moment? 65 rand. Look, man, I think Zbu, thank you so much, my good friend, for letting me know about this. This is something that I'll definitely look at. I think it's something that can we can see a good of maturity coming from this stock. Definitely, I was telling people to look at time bank as well, right? In the future, what will happen to time bank? So all these small upcoming, companies, definitely we need to look into them. I mean, if you look at something like Capitec, no one took it serious, right? No one took it serious, and look at where we are now. Time bank, I don't think it's listed as yet, but last time I checked, I think you can look into. They have a secondary listing on JSE. Is it? I forgot the name. I forgot. I think the only way to get exposure on time bank is to invest via. Is it African something? African Capital something. I think the abbreviation is around ARC or something. So definitely let's go for it. Thank you, my friend. Ladies and gentlemen, I think stocks is something that we also, as a nation, we need to focus too much as well on it. Forex is too overrated, man. It's always Forex and NASDAQ. I've never. It's funny how I've never found anyone call himself with the nickname of a stock portfolio in South Africa. The Urban Project say now that it's December, fundamentals suggest that Boxer's share price will increase in the short term due to stocks falls. This is my opinion, not financial advice. That's also another thing, my friend. We've got stock falls also coming. They do bulk buying and whatnot. So if you were to ask me, Mr. President, I have this much and I want to look into investing into this Boxer stock portfolio, I would say why not? Why not? Definitely seeing something there. Thanks, is Buddha. I really appreciate you, my friend. TMS is saying we use our names. Journey to Success. Eben is talking to you. They're saying let's meet also. I'm from Proteria Land. Yeah, guys, choppers, if you are in the same place, you are in the same vicinity, please try to meet and get to know one another there, right? So the soccer tournament is gonna be in Soweto. When is the day where you are having good teams playing? Let me know there. Jenny, let me know there. I'll try to be there. Soweto is not far. Like I said, this weekend I'm going home. It's in Northwest, but I think I can steal some hours there to drive to Soweto. TMS is asking anyone from PLK. Do you have a chopper here from PLK? I think we're experiencing a bit of a drop here on WTI, like I said, but I don't like this type of retracement. As you know, it needs to give me some space, right? I don't like this. I like this, right? So let's see. Right. So yesterday, this is how we have analyzed Bitcoin. If we hold 98,252, we look to sell, and if we break above retest 98,152, we look to buy. I don't know, but I think $1.506 is holding on this thing. I think we might see that bullish momentum coming in now. Anytime from now, I think we can see this thing buying to the upside. I'm just marking this level here. Mukele saying it's boo. I think it was a good strategy for the parent company PMP to trade off its shares from Boxer to raise capital for the bailout of PMP debts and its failed growth strategy of Equisene. Yeah, it's not. It has not been really a good year, to be honest, for the retail market, right? I think the retail market and the automotive industry as well. In my opinion, I think the automotive industry was just neutral. It's been holding some ground this year, but obviously with 100% Trump tariffs that he wants to impose, it's posing a certain threat, right, to the automotive industry, especially in the US and South Africa import and export relationships, right? But for the retail markets, people don't have money, man. People don't have money. I don't know, but in my opinion, I think portfolios like Boxer will hold some ground as they are new as they are. So yeah, beautiful analysis there, Mukele, on the Pick and Pay trading off its shares from Boxer to raise capital. Definitely something, a strategy that one would say it was a good move. Zbu is asking, does Octa trade international stocks like AMD? Unfortunately, it's limited, man. I gotta be honest with you. You don't have a lot there. We don't have a lot. But tell you what, Buddha, there's a link down below there, my friend. Just click on it and check what they offer, right? I think that's the best advice I can give you, my friend. Just check there what they have, and yeah. I'm quickly going to run a poll there. Please answer the choppers. If I were to buy this, so we have something like seven pips on average true range, ATR times 2. So if I were to buy this British pound USD, if I say ATR times 2 there, according to my average true range times 2, then it will have to be 14 pips stop loss on this if I were to buy it now. And our TP, and I think our TP will be nicely lined there at almost 29 pips, right? if we were to take this one here according to our ATR. So definitely something I'm looking at there. British pound USD. Don't forget as well, we are marking AUD USD, right? And I know what you are saying right now, Mr. President, we could have jumped in there. Yeah, man, but I want the price to hold, you know. When price is holding, is confirming for me that there's no strength, no juice going down. Should we be streaming again this afternoon? I just ran a poll there. It's either you're gonna answer on the poll or you can just say yes, 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 yes on the comment section. Let me see how many of you can say yes. But if you just join us, please like the stream. Please like our stream there quickly. Please like the stream there. We have only 37 people that have liked the stream. Can we increase the number there? Look at that AUD go, man. Look to buy the discount again at 64 cents. %82 of you are saying yes, 80% of you are saying no. Should we stream in the afternoon? We've got CPI again happening, remember. We've got CPI happening again this morning, this afternoon. So if we are going to stream, definitely it will have to be around 3 p.m. Zeno, good to see you, buddy. Masio Lago saying yes, we should stream. Mukele saying thanks, man. I'm not just a retail trader, but a retail investor. Been investing using easy equities for 3 years, over 3 years now. So I'm frequently reading business news and upcoming things. Wonderful, man. Wonderful. All right, so we're going to be bullish on AUD USD during the session, bullish on euro dollar, bullish on British pound USD. Gold, I would say neutral, right? I would say neutral because we don't have some juice going on there. WTI, we want to see how we are holding $70.11 there. So let's see. AUD USD, obviously bullish, wanted to buy at this level here. Yeah, that's about it. Choppers, thank you so much for your time. Good to see all of you here. I'll see you again in the afternoon. You have asked for it, then I'm definitely giving it to you, right? So yeah, let's meet again this afternoon, 3 p.m. so that we can trade CPI as well. Thank you so much, guys. Much love. Don't forget to pray. Cheers, bye.